How to update iPhone payment. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, simply move into the settings of a device. Once you're inside the settings, head over to your Apple account at the very top. You can see the option of payment and shipping. Click on it. If required, enter the password of your Apple ID account. Once done, it will land you on the page. If you have entered any of the payment method, then it will be shown to you in this page. You can also add multiple payment method. If you want to remove any one of it, simply click on it and tap on remove. And if you want to add another one, click on add payment method. Simply select credit or debit card, and also if wanted, you can select PayPal. Enter all the informations, card number, expiry date, and CVV code. Also, don't forget to enter the billing address. Once done, tap on add. If all the informations are correct, then your payment method will be added successfully, and then you'll be able to use it. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.